Okay. I'm gonna test that just for you. So as I testing the salad, here is good. It is really good, but you have not too much salt, but you know we have salt. We have additional salt. It's not that bad. It's okay, but it's just for tell you. And everything is good. The corn is good. The sauce is good. Everything is good. I like it. I like the salad. So can say I wine on that that salad. Okay, so now we're gonna test pasta with spinach. We're gonna test that. Okay, you see. Let's go. When I test it, it's good. It's good. All is good. We don't have too much salt. No, we don't have too much